Was in Bangkok Airport last November of 2024, and I was so early in the airport because I would rather have went to the airport early with my teammates and their wait before for my flight because I finished all my the things that I wanted to do in Bangkok. So instead, I explored the airport. Now, this is why we can afford to travel almost every single month to attend international events of Riway International. It is because the company gives us an opportunity to earn unlimited Singapore dollar. So we don't sell the product here, Pure Cure Stem Cells, and we also have beauty products, stem cells. We don't sell the product, but rather we invite people to franchise in the company, use the product for their family, not to sell the product, and we are given bonuses or income up to 7% in daily payout. It means today you franchise and then you have friends also who also want to franchise in the company. The following day you earn Singapore dollar, actually 1:30 in the morning. It's not even 20 hours. Your income is already there. So I realized this. I embrace the culture of the company when I realized that this company can help me achieve what I want in life in shorter period of time, instead of working so hard 8 to 10 hours a day and wait for my retirement at the age of 60. And then what happened? The income, retirement, or pension is not even enough to help me with my medications and everyday needs. But here in Riway International, the company helped us to see what's out there, that in the world there are so many things to do and enjoy, that in the world there are that in our life we can discover and develop our skills, okay, our talents, and then we enjoy life. It is living a life. It's not merely existing. So it is like you put yourself, maybe you are unemployed now, you put yourself in that company and the company pay you equivalent to your talent and skill and your time, and then your income every month is in that certain box, limited. Whereas in Riway International, okay, we can work anytime we want. All we need to do is to build our network, because this is a multi-level company. Duplication. If I develop one leader or two leaders, this is binary, left and right, and then what happened? They earn, I earn. So it's not traditional business. You are the owner, you are the boss, you pay the people from your income. In Riway, these people, you train them to become leader, okay, to develop and expand their business internationally. They earn Singapore dollar. You also earn Singapore dollar. So you have choice later on if you just stay at home, go for a holiday, and these people in your organization still doing Riway. Every day you have income. And the good thing here, the accounts here are unlimited. You can have thousands or hundreds of account here, but each of the account is your branch or business store, okay, that earn separately from each other. So you can pass or transfer this to your next generation later on, because right now stem cell is just starting to be known, starting that people started to accept this in the whole world.